It smells so good, I just feel like just diving into it.
Mouth watering.
We're about to play with some leftovers. I did a pulled pork. Still a nice amount left, ain't it? We've been eating sandwiches. We've been doing salads, tacos. Today, we're about to do some pizza. We're about to just go ahead and whip up some stuff straight from scratch. First, let's go ahead and put some little barbecue sauce. It's gonna be delicious. Butter first. That's cool. Ketchup. Eat ketchup, y'all. That's about enough. We just freestyle. A little yellow mustard. Garlic powder. Boom, 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 boom. We're just gonna do a little bit of celery sauce. So, thyme. Boom, 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 boom. Pepper. Chili powder. Paprika. Liquid smoke. Still vinegar. Boom. Cider vinegar. Garlic powder.
The onion.
W sauce. Worcestershire. Turmeric. Honey. Glasses. We just doing like a little bit of everything. Brown sugar. I'm just about to go over here to the stove, do it up, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. And we gonna sauce up the dough and all that stuff that we did. Ooh, trying to be cool. I ain't like the Globetrotters. Yeah. It's smelling nice and saucy. It's coming along. Just gonna let it stir, let it thicken up just a tad. Got this delicious barbecue sauce done. I just let it cool a little bit. Once it cool like overnight, it's gonna be super good, but I just need it to just cool just enough for me to get this sauce on here. Oh, yeah. Still got a little smoke coming through, but that's all right. Look at that color. Color is tremendous. Got these leftover pulled pork. We gonna make it meaty. Pulled pork, you can do so many things with it. Being creative, having food fun. This is one of the best times to have fun with food. We're in the fall. We don't have to be stingy. Do what we want. I got the cheese. Oh man. And then when it come out right, we gonna top it with some more barbecue sauce. You gotta be perfect. Your pizza. What you want. Have fun. It's all good there, ain't it, baby? All good?
All good.
It's on steel. All right, I'm gonna throw this in there about 10 minutes, 475. I'll be right back, y'all. Holla at me.
Man, I wish they could smell it.
That don't make no sense. Give me a few minutes, y'all. I gotta let it cool. So here gonna be like the drizzle. The sweet drizzle. Hear that crispy? Smells so good. I just feel like just diving.
Mouth watering.
Like the pizzeria. Look at that. Crispy crunch. The drizzle. What it do here? Ooh. Can I handle the heat?
That's a new level. Next level.
Y'all gotta do this. take your pulled pork, make your pizza. See, I'm so frantic. I'm supposed to wait for it to cool. But I'm just looking at it. I'm like, I gotta eat it. I gotta have me at least a piece right now. I got my mouth watering over
Yes.
there. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. Make y'all one of these pizzas, man. I'm telling you. Y'all have fun. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.